Hello everyone. So if you want to use a VPN on your Android phone, here's how to do that. I'll show you two methods for today. The first one, and let's start with, is generally a broad one, is simply to download any VPN application. So open up the Play Store, now tap on the search button, tap on the search bar at the top, and let's search for VPN. There we are. Now simply install any of the services. Some of the services are free, some of the services are strictly paid. Both of them are mixed. There's an option of free service and some paid servers. So I'm going to be using TurboVPN for this video. Let's press install. It's quite stable and it works just fine. It does its thing. So let's give it a couple seconds to be installed. And after that, let's press open. Now press agree and continue. You may be asked to give some kind of permissions, so some advertisements. If this is a free VPN, you'll definitely see them. Consent. Now let's tap on the server icon at the top right corner, and here you can see the list of different servers. Most of them are paid, however some of them are free. For example, this Amsterdam server, and let's connect to it. So simply tap on it, press OK, and give your phone some time to be connected. There we are. We're connected to the Netherlands, to the Amsterdam server. In the top right corner on my status bar, you can notice this key icon. It means that VPN works. And basically that's it. Now simply open up your browser or whatever you want to do and do it. When you want to okay, let's look at some advertisement. If you want to stop the VPN connection, it's quite easy to do. First of all, let's open up the application. Now tap on this cross, press disconnect. And basically that's it. Most of the VPN applications works like this, pretty much, some a bit different. Someone is pretty much the similar, however, the idea is the same. The second variant is more complicated and interesting. So some study institutions or some works, they ask you to use their personal VPN for many variable reasons. So today I'll show you how to set it up. Keep in mind that you have to get the right information, otherwise this method won't work. I have it saved in my notes. So you need a username and a server IKEV2 or this IP settings, a password, and IPsec identifier. So where do we put it? I'm showing it because for most people, it's going to be simply easier to use a third-party app. However, if you are in the situation when you got some numbers from your CEO and you don't know where you do enter them, here's how to do that. So open up your settings. Now open up your network and internet. Then tap on VPN and tap on this plus at the top right corner to create a new profile. Now name it. You can name it as you wish. I'll name it as a work VPN. Choose the type of connection. Once again, it should be given to you by this informator or wherever you're getting this information. So let's copy a server address. There it is. Let's enter it. Now make sure to enter a correct identifier. There we are. Copy. Enter it. Now make sure to enter the username. Copy. Now enter it and enter your password as well. Now simply press save, and to make it work, tap on the profile and press connect. Basically, that is it for this method. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.